Hi there, my love. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. So today, an amazing recipe that's been a while that we don't make here on the channel, which is a meat substitute, as in faux meat. This one is amazing, I promise you. I made the other day. My sister loved it. She's right behind me, right behind the camera here. Didn't you like it?
I did. I loved
See?
it.
I'm not lying. It was amazing. I have made something before similar on the channel, but this is improved. So I think you're gonna love it. Let me show you how I put it together. Now on a blender, we're going to add red beans, cooked and drained red beans. 1 cup of potato puree, as in mashed potatoes. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Black pepper to taste. Half teaspoon of onion powder and half teaspoon of garlic powder. And 1 drop of liquid smoke. And if you think it needs more salt, you add salt but a little bit later, so try it first. Now we add these to a bowl, and then we add the potato starch and mix to combine. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now, one thing that I should tell you about this is that it's not going to be like a burger, which you can mold it in your hands, okay? Make the patties with your hands. No, it's going to be much more softer, okay? So don't worry, that's exactly what we want, okay? Don't stress out. Don't keep adding the potato starch because otherwise it's gonna kill all the other flavors. So add little by little. And this is the consistency that you see, okay? It looks like you've done something wrong, it's not gonna work, but don't worry, it will. Okay, so now we're going to actually make the fake meat, the fake fillets. And for that, we're gonna need a skillet. If you have a non-stick skillet, better. I don't, mine is not good anymore. So I had to add oil to it, but if you want to skip this part and use a non-stick skillet, go for it. It works perfectly. And now we're going to add about 1 tablespoon. It depends on how big or how small you want your fillets to be. And we fry them on a medium heat, okay? Over a medium heat. Allow it to fry like that without shaping it for 1 minute. And then you can press it and then form the steak shapes that you want. And then you just flip them, and when they are golden brown like that, they're ready. These fillets, they go very well with a proper Brazilian sauce that we have, which is onion sauce. We're going to add a little bit oil or butter to a skillet, and then the sliced onions, and we're going to allow them to become dark golden, okay? Actually, we're caramelizing the onions. And here I have some herbs for extra flavor. I have a fresh rosemary and fresh thyme and a clove of garlic, and then you just let them fry a little bit just to transfer the flavor to the gravy, to the sauce. And then you add soy sauce, not too much because it's really, really salty. A splash of water, and voila, it's ready.
You better start moving and feel the music. Get your groove on and let it use you. When you feel the fire and you know it's right, pure desire, just hold on tight. Get up, down, move around, get down on the ground.
So how about that? Didn't you love it? I love it. It's so good, especially with this sauce. I highly recommend you make that. If you don't like onions, just keep the onions and do what I did without the onions. It's really good. You can add the mushrooms too. It's really, really good. So I hope you make it, and if you make it, tag me on Instagram and Facebook, and subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know how much you loved it, because I know you will. You keep asking me so much to make more meat, more chicken, and more fish. And for those people who say that this is not a real fish or real chicken, yeah, it is. And this is my channel. I'll do whatever I want, okay? Whose name is over here? Chef Jana, right? So I'll make whatever I want on my channel. And this is it. So head over to my website for the printable recipe. Okay, so see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye bye.